Some toast. There's several options of toast. I got white toast. I was thinking about maybe sourdough, but I didn't. Usually this comes with sausage. I don't like sausage, so that's my call. Boysenberry coffee. Are these creamers, but if you ask for half and half, you can get that too, which is nice because I don't like half and half. I don't like the overly processed creamers. All right, everybody, I'm not sure if I'm going to use this one because it's the ultra wide and it kind of gets distorted, but of course you see more things. This is the room I'm staying in for the 2025 stay at the Knott's Hotel. I want to call it the Knott's Berry Farm Hotel, but it's actually the Knott's Hotel. This is one of their smaller rooms, but it's just me, so it's fine. I'm also only staying here for 2 nights. So you have your standard ironing board, iron, some hangers with well, I guess you already saw the laundry bag in case you want to use a laundry service, a digital safe. Towels are a little bit thin here, but they're nice. You can leave them hanging if you don't want to have them changed every day, because like honestly, do you really wash your towels at home every single day? Probably not. Maybe you do. It's kind of become standard in hotels to have these bottles. It used to be the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash came in little bottles, but I thought it was a California thing at first, but it's like that in other states. Of course, you know, you have a towel. A little bit of artwork here. I'm going to try to avoid showing you this ugly guy in the mirror. And this is part of the remodel as of a couple of years ago. You do get some single-use things like the makeup remover and the lotion, which is not in the basket, and this little washcloth is cool. This soap was also, showing the guy again. The soap was individually wrapped. Normally when I come in, or at least I try to show the room before I unpack. I forgot to, so this is after. I think I did this last time too. But yeah, it's just a single queen room, which for me, staying here for 2 nights, it's fine. I feel like my room was much bigger the last time, but again, I don't need a bigger room. So it has this nice artwork. So, got some boysenberries, a nice little painting of a barn, a horse, a little farm scene. But I don't know what the significance is of that. And over here, you have your K-cup brewer. It does include 2 K-cups, but I don't think they give you a new fresh ones every day. Refrigerator, of course. Drawers. I never use the drawers at a hotel. I know I should. I don't know. Maybe I'll forget my clothes in it, or just something. It's one of those weird things about me. A nice big flat screen TV, which is cool. I wish they had down here an HDMI extension so you can plug in stuff. Like when I'm staying here more a longer stay, like I will be next year, when I use my computer, I like to edit my stuff while I'm on the trip. I like to use it as a separate monitor, but you can't. Some nice lamps as well. I don't think I'll ever stay in the room looking over the pool again, because people get really loud all the way until the pool closes at 11 p.m. It does open at 9 a.m. As you saw, I'm sure in the video, or I'm going to probably post a video, I was there at 9 a.m. and there was no one there yet, which was nice in the video. But yeah, if you like hearing kids screaming Marco Polo, maybe this is the room for you. $39.99. $74.90. Wow. Wow. $19.99. $16.96. No faded. Pins are nice. Very, very small numbers. $18.99. Chuck hanging out there. Pokey. This is a cute little shirt. Very nice bag. Ooh, this design is kind of nice. $27.99. Dream Day. $14.99. This is well, it's Six Flags. No, $26.99. It's weird to see Six Flags and Snoopy. Goes down, okay. These are very soft. $28.99. That's cool. Nice hoodie for $42.99. Not too bad. No zipper, which is like how I like it. Swimsuits, in case I forgot yours. I didn't bring mine because Soak City is already closed for the year, which is upsetting because I have access to Soak City with my season pass. I always want to call it an annual pass. It's not an annual pass, it's a season pass. But it's good for the rest of the year, the rest of this year and all of next year, which is crazy because it's only $120. Oh, $20. No, good job. $120. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit to the gift shop.